Module 5, Lesson 14, and today you are showing, counting, and writing to answer how many questions with up to 20 objects in circular configuration. So yesterday we did linear, so in a line or an array, which means different rows. Today we're going to focus on counting objects and showing how many in circles. So the first one I'm going to show you, and then you're going to do one on your own on your Whiteboard app and send me a picture. So first we are going to count the dots, then we'll draw each dot in the 10 frames and write the number in the box below the 10 frames. Okay, so now we talked about this in class and you probably remember, but when we have objects in a circle, sometimes it can get really confusing because we can't remember where we started counting. So the best way to do this would be to make a little marker of where we want to start. So I'm just going to draw an arrow at the one that I'm going to count as number 1. So that means if I get to it, when I go all the way around, I can't count it again because that means I'm done counting. All right, you can also make a dot for each one that you count, if that helps you too. If you're doing it on paper, you can maybe make a dot with your pencil as you count. Okay, so I'm going to count how many circles do I have, starting at the one with the arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I counted 15 dots. Now I need to draw each dot in the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I know 15 is 10, 5, so I need 5 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then you will write the number 15 in the box. All right, now I'm going to set up a box for you, and I want you to do one on your own. So what you're going to do is write any teen number. So a teen number is any number like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Those are all teen numbers because I hear the teen when I say it. So any one of those numbers, I want you to write the number in the box and draw a picture in a circle. So maybe you want to do circles going around in a circle, or maybe you want to do triangles or hearts or whatever you want to do, but it needs to be in a circular configuration. All right, so write the number and draw that many in a circular configuration. Send me a picture when you're done.